My name's Kurt Excavator. I'm the owner, founder, and CEO of Bottom Line Equipment. This is actually our second American Hero machine. We built our first one in 20, and we donate 25% of our rental proceeds on the machine and any attachments to American heroes who need our help. So the first machine was dedicated toward the veterans, active duty, and veterans. This second machine, we've expanded our definition of American heroes to include our law enforcement, paramedics, firefighters, any first responders that may need help. It's the right thing to do.